Welcome to the Dell EMC Unity XT Crew Removal and Replacement series. In this series of short videos, we're going to use Unisphere and UEM CLI commands to identify faulted custom replaceable units on a Dell EMC Unity XT storage system. We'll then look at the ways to prepare the system for service, including service mode and reset and hold modes. We'll demonstrate the removal and replacement of the faulted crew, and finally verify the replacement crew is working correctly. One of the first things you want to do is to log on to the storage system using the Unisphere interface. This requires that you have initialized the system and provided an IP address in your browser, and once you do that, you're going to be brought to the page that you see here. You're going to have a username along with a password. That combination was also set up during the initialization process. And once you provide those correct credentials, we'll be able to log in and view the dashboard page. So from the initial login, the dashboard page, we see we have a couple errors here. One is calling out the link control card, and of course the link control card sits within the DAE, so they're calling out the DAE, in this case the DAE on bus 1 enclosure 0. So let's look at the alerts to see if we have the same type of error. And it appears we do. These are critical errors. You can see that the disk array closure, by clicking on this, has some major issues, and it gives you a descriptor of those issues. Also look at the time frame. You want to always look at the time to make sure everything is synced up in terms of logs, in terms of alerts. Yeah, the log should tell us basically the same thing, that I have a DAE failure. The second thing they call out is the link control card, and that the system in fact has experienced some errors. So to investigate further, we can go to the system view. And again, we're going to click on one of these blue texts. I happen to click on the DAE, and you can see the disk array enclosure has called out an error. And it's connected, but it's improperly connected. So the cause of that, of course, is one of the link control cards has broken the loop and is faulted. So I can see that is called out. It's going to be orange. That's the crew that we're going to replace in this video. If I were to go ahead and look at the front, I can see the front has a green circle with a white check mark. There should be an amber LED that's located here, and that's going to be amber because the DAE itself is faulted. So you can also take a look at that. And then verification with the env/lcc command shows me I in fact have a major failure on that link control card B, and the DAE is failed as well. And I'm just confirming that with the env DAE show command. Now if I go to the service, in the service task page, we'll see again we confirm the major issue. However, these storage processes themselves in the DPE are showing okay and are showing as a healthy state. So I'm pretty confident at this point I'm going to swap out the link control card. So I locate the link control card with the amber LED in the back. You're going to have one of these connected and powered up to perform this operation. And you're going to see that the link control card has two handles that open up and open up to allow the card to come out. And you get your replacement link control card, you align the slots, and you push that card in, and then you're going to secure down the handles by pushing those inward to secure down the LCC. Cable up your AC power, and go to the system view, and let's validate that everything has been returned to normal. So I see no alerts. I can see that the critical errors that I had are gone. That is because they were fixed, and once you fix a critical error, that error goes away within the alerts page. I can see here from the logs that the system looks healthy again, and that the link control card in question appears to be in the normal state and looks good. So that is the removal and replacement of a link control card in a 25 drive disk array enclosure.